presentation. I would now like to give the floor to the Association culturelle Kurde de Genève.
شكرا سيد الرئيس.
Thank you, Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Association of Kurds in Geneva, we would like to thank you for this opportunity. We participate in this forum to express our opinions regarding the situation in the Middle East, especially in Mesopotamia. Culture in general is the result of civilization over thousands of years. This means that preserving this heritage is a world duty regardless of the region. However, unfortunately, the Kurdish people are minorities in Mesopotamia. They face a systematic policy that aims at cleaning them from the society. Recently, in Syria, Iraq, Iran, and others, there's an attempt to squash the cultural identity of the Kurds. This is done through forcing them not to use their mother tongue, the Kurdish language. That, in addition to policies of displacement and killing, this is systematic violence against the Kurds and other minorities. Are these minorities a threat to the existence of these states? We believe the Kurdish people are an element of cultural diversity. This also applies to all other minorities in the region that cannot implement and exercise all their rights. Therefore, there is no logical fear of such minorities. It is based on a thinking of hegemony and to prohibit such peoples of exercising their rights. The Kurds use the language, they use their songs, they use their dance to show their culture. We believe that cultural, religious diversity enriches humanity. Therefore, such diversity must be enhanced in the region. Through this forum, from this rostrum, we call on all peoples for peace, and we call on peace-loving nations to stand by the Kurdish people and to provide the necessary support for them and to pay them back for all the oppression they have lived. Thank you.
Thank you very much for those words. I will now give the floor to the distinguished delegation of Argentina. Argentina has the floor.